That's good.
Stop it.
All right, what are you gonna make with some of that slime? Are there any cool shapes?
I love this. I love this.
Why don't you make?
The texture I love.
Do you think it floats?
No.
Should we try it?
They'll get ruined.
Oh yeah. You should try it. That's what Mama would call not a good idea.
I love pink texture. Try feel this.
Oh, I'm scared. Is it gonna bite me?
No.
Oh.
Just feel it. Feel it.
Ooh. Feels cloudy.
Don't stretch it.
I'm gonna wear it like
Mustache.
a mustache.
You already have a mustache.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my G.
Oh my M.
Oh my.
GS.
That's right.
Do you care if I order sushi?
No.
Do you want?
Yes.
Do you want like some salmon and salad and soup?
The purple's kind of getting mixed up. We should water the purple in the right
Or do you want me to make
purple. I love this.
No thanks.
Blue. It's so good.
Ooh, I like this one.
I like these ones.
Do you want Chipotle?
I like this one.
I guess so.
I like this.
Not double chicken though.
Yeah,
You
double.
want that instead of like tacos?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm clapping.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah. Cookie
How much?
has a dog.
Oh my god, what's his name? Or her name?
I don't know. Ew. 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 I can get this on my hand right now.
Sure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's stuck.
Scarf it.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Can you wash my hands later?
No, no. Oh no. Oh no. I think this one's got to be like this. I gotta make it a little better.
Ew. I need
Here,
help.
try putting it on here. Yeah. Maybe you could get it off like that, right? Right here. How much is that Chipotle? When you order,
I
Do I
like,
have to add?
It's
but
so
does it end up being like $25?
No. No. It'll be 20.
Alright.
Do you still want it?
Yeah.
Stop the bump phone out.
I'm gonna get you like an order of tacos with it because they're only $4.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Do you want the beef ones or the?
Yeah. Ooh, this one makes far.
I can go get it.
Oh, thanks, dude. Wait, you're not a dude.
I'm a Yunda.
You're a Yunda?
Yeah.
Okay, Yunda.
Where is it? You see where it lands?
Maybe in between by the microwave, maybe?
Oh, it's actually
Oh, yeah.
17.
All right.
It's the taco. Here's the floor. Oh, spicy one. I love this slime. No! Don't do that. I love this.
It's so
Slippery.
slippery. And it keeps on growing.
No! Have that.
Don't do that. Don't bust me up. Look at this. It's like
No!
Oh god.
No!
It's like a worm. It's a wiggly.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Alright. Okay, got it. God, that was close.
What?
That was really close.
Yeah.
Look, I was like, oh, I hope it doesn't go.
Yeah!
Oh my god. Oh no.
I tried to sit on your lap.
I want to throw it at me.
Okay.
I'm scared of that.
Don't throw it.
She's gonna flip out.
Don't throw
She's gonna flip out.
it. No, throw it.
Then what kind of mood are you in? Like happy, playful mood or like
Moody?
Yeah, you have to get up and shower.
Moody?
or a moody mood?
Throw it at her. I dare you to throw it at her.
How many times have you had work today?
Oh no, what's hurt now? Your same foot? The ankle, the shin. Oh, she's down, man. She's down. She's gotta go into bed. No, we gotta put on. Oh, good. Man, she went upstairs to Key's new house. She's sleeping there tonight.
Oh, I wish.
If you need her, just use your walkie-talkie. Okay, man.
Dad, I brought the slime on here.
Yeah, Mama. What do you think about that?